G'day, folks. So I'm gonna be, I'm confused. And welcome to Gary's World and Workshop. And world sometimes can be a little confusing. It's confusing to myself, let alone I can imagine what I'm doing to you. Anyhow, I'm gonna be doing some resin because it's hard to get set up with something for a while. You want to do the same thing over and over again for a while because you have things set up for that particular project or hobby or whatever happened to be into at the time. So I'm going to start off with resin. This time I'm going to make a series of bunch of resin videos because I'm going to be doing some resin. So I picked up this resin kit by Let's Resin. Awesome little kit. I actually started out looking for some molds, some different molds for different things, and I come across this, and this was like $26 maybe Canadian on sale. So it's to buy molds separately and buy all this stuff separately, you're in a lot more than that. So I thought I'd share this with you. So this is going to be kind of an unboxing, of what's in this kit. If you want to get started, a great kit. And then we will make videos afterwards as I use the stuff in this kit. So let's have a look and see what we have. So we'll unbox this. Set of instructions, beginner's instructions, which is great. If you're a beginner, this will tell you everything you want to know. As my videos go, I'll try to explain some things as you're doing. So the really intriguing part of this kit is this mold here. It's round, sphere, or ball, or whatever you want to call it. I've never done one of these before. I'm kind of interested to see how this turns out. And then you get a coaster mold. You get a, this thing is like a diamond. It's going to end up being a diamond type thing. And then you get a pyramid, which can be kind of cool. And then a square, basically a square block. So you can put something inside of it, make a paperweight, whatever you like with it. It comes with 2 mixing cups, 20 to 100 millimeters, which is great. Nice point on it for pouring out. Comes with 2 of them. The second one comes with 2 pairs of gloves, but you need latex gloves for sure. We got 4 of these little measuring cups from 5 mil to 30 mil. Great little cups. Nice flowers, okay? Beautiful flowers. Putting resin, some pipettes for dabbling little things into stuff, you would say. Of course, you get your resin. You get, what do you get here? 250, so you get 250 mils each, A and B, so you end up with 500 mils of resin altogether, which is going to give you quite a bit of stuff. And then we have some glittery things, different sorts, some stuff for coloring, some other little flashy type stuff, and then of course you get some popsicle sticks that you use for mixing everything all together. So it's just a quick video on what this is. My next video will be actually making some stuff just with this kit. So stay tuned, and hasta la vista from Gary's World and Workshop. Bye for now.